Today, we're going to find the mean, median, and mode of group and ungrouped data. So suppose you're going to find the mean of this data, of this ungrouped data. So we have 3, 2, 5, 6, 7, 5, 1, 5, and 4. Now to find the mean, you will just have to add all the numbers and then divided by the number of the data. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So meaning you have 3 plus 2 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 5 plus 1 plus 5 plus 4 divided by 9, which is equal to 38 over 9. So that would be 4.22. Now to find the median, you have just to arrange first the data, okay, into ascending order. So you have 1, 2, 3. Nakalimutan ko yung 4, kaya medyo umangat siya doon. And 5, 5, 5, 6, 7. Then step 2 is to find the middle term. Okay, so the middle term is 5. So you have 5, yung pinakagitna. That's why our answer or our final answer for the median is 5. Now, what if the number of your data is even? Now, for example, you have one example lang to. So, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, and 7. So, if you're going to count this, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, you have 10. Okay? Then, the first step is to, again, arrange this one. So, naka-arrange na siya dyan. And then, find the middle number. So, magiging dalawa yung middle number natin, which is 4 and 5. Okay? So, ang gagawin lang natin dyan, we just have to add the two numbers, which is 4 plus 5, then divided by 2. So you have 9 divided by 2, which is 4.5. So that will be your median. Okay? So mode is the most number that appear in the data. So, we have 5. Siya yung pinakamaraming nag-appear na number, kaya ang sagot natin ay 5. Let us find the mean, median, and mode of group data. So, suppose you have this table. You have the length in inches and this frequency. No? So, in order for us to find the mean, the first step we should do is to find the midpoint of the data. So we have midpoint. Let us have, yeah. So let us have this as M. So we have, to find that, now let us just add 150 plus 154 divided by 2. So that would be 152. Next, 155 plus 159 divided by 2 is 157. 160 plus 164 divided by 2 is 162. Then 167. Okay, para mas mabilis, kunin nyo yung interval ng ating data. So you have 150, 151, 152, 53, 54. That is interval 5. So you would just have to add 5. No? So we have 152 plus 5, 157. 157 plus 5, 162. Plus 5, 167. Plus 5, 172. Para hindi na kayo add ng add dito. No? And then, hindi na rin kayo nagdi-divide by 2. So, ito yung mas mabilis na paraan. Then, 182. And then, 187. So, that would be your midpoint. The next step in finding the mean is to multiply the frequency and midpoint. So, that would be F times M. Okay, so yun yung 5 times 152, so that would be 760. 2 times 157 is 314. 6 times 162 is 972. Okay, so next is 1,336. Then next is 1,548. 1,947 and 1,092 and 561. Okay, then after that, get the total. No? So add everything. We have 760 plus 314 plus 972 plus 1,336 plus 1,548 plus 1,947 plus 1,092 plus 561. So that would be 8,530. Okay? So to find the mean, you just have to get the quotient of the summation of the product of the frequency and the midpoint and the summation of frequency. So, we have here. So, itong ibig sabihin nito ay ito siya. No? So, all yung inad nyo kanina. Okay? So, yan siya. And then, the summation of frequency ay ito, yung total number lang ng frequency. So, you have 8,000 or mean is equal to 8,530 divided by 50. So, that would be 170.6. Okay, median naman tayo. To find the median, you will need another column for the cumulative frequency. Okay, so that would be CF. So, paano yon? Kopyahin nyo muna yung unang number sa frequency, which is 5. And then, add to the preceding number, which is 5 plus 2, we have 7. 7 plus 6, we have 13. We have 21, 30, 41, 47, and then 50. Okay? So, dapat yung last number ay kaparehas or equal sa summation of the frequency. Okay? So, dapat equal sila. Pag may sumobra o pag may nagkulang, ibig sabihin may mali kang ginawa dito or may mali kang na-add. Okay? So, after that, no, divide the total number of frequency by 2. So, you have 50 divided by 2, which is equal to 25. Now, after that, you should get the number or the first number which is greater than 25 from the cumulative frequency. So, ang pinakaunang number na mas mataas sa 25 ay itong 30. So, meaning, this will be your median class. Okay? Importante ito kasi dito nyo lahat kukunin yung mga kailangan natin sa formula ng median. Okay, here's now the formula for the median. We have n divided by 2 minus CF all over F times the width plus the lower limit of median class. Now, yung n dito, no, ito yung the total number of the frequency, no, or the summation of the frequency, and then CF is the cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class, and then F is equal to the frequency of the median class, and then times the width. The width is the interval plus the lower limit of median class. So let us now identify all the values. So lagyan natin yung mga values. So we have n is equal to 50. Diba? So dito siya galing. So 50. And then CF, or the cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class. So dito siya galing. Dito siya dapat manggaling. So yun yung 5 plus 7, no? Plus 13, which is equal to 21. So that dito pala siya, sorry. 5 plus 2 plus 6 plus 8, which is equal to 21. So that would be your CF. And then next is F, which is the frequency of the median class. Ito yun. We have 9. No? And then next is ano ba? Width or the interval. Ang interval natin, or W, which is equal to 5. And then ang L natin ay saan ba galing yan? So that would be, ito yung ano, 'di ba? Median class natin, 'di ba? So 170 to 174. So pwedeng 169 plus 170 divided by 2, that would be 169.5. No, or you will just subtract 0.5 sa mas mababang number. No, so we have 170 minus 0.5, that would be 169.5. So that would be your values. So, lagay na natin yung mga values. We have median is equal to 50 over 2 minus CF 21 all over 9 times 5 plus 169.5. Okay? Then next, let's divide 50. Divide by 2 is 25 minus 21 all over 9 times 5 plus 169.5. So 25 minus 21 is 4 over 9 times 5 plus 169.5. So that would be 171.72. That would be 7222222. Kaya, ayan. Or 171.72 na lang. Pwede din naman. No? So, this is in inches. So, your answer is 171.72 inches. Okay, mode naman tayo. So, ganun ulit, no? So, we have the lower class boundary of the model class plus, ginawa ko siyang ganyan para mas madaling maintindihan. This is frequency 2 minus frequency 1 all over frequency 2 minus frequency 1 plus frequency 2 minus frequency 3 times the interval para mas madali siyang maintindihan. Okay, punta tayo dun sa data natin or sa table natin. So, kapag mode kasi, 'di ba, alam natin na yun yung pinakamataas na number, no, na nag-appear. Okay? Or the most frequent appeared in the data. So, ano yun? Dito, we have 11, no? Dito, ito ang pinakamataas sa frequency, kaya ito yung ating model class. So, lagyan lang natin siya ng ganyan. Another box for the mode. Ayan. Okay? Then, after that, ang gagawin natin frequency 1 ay yung 9. No? Then, frequency 2 yung 11. Then, frequency 3 yung 6. So, igitna nyo na lang yung frequency ng model class. Okay? So, ang ating lower class boundary of the model class is again, no, 174 plus 175 divided by 2 is 174.5. So, that would be 174.5. And then next, we have F1 is equal to, so we have F2, then F3. Lagyan natin lahat ng values. So, yung F1 ay 9, 11, yung F2, then ang F3 natin ay 6. Okay, so punta tayo dun sa formula. So, ang interval natin again ay 5. O ang width, no? Pwede naman. Okay? So, we have 174 or mode is equal to 174.5 plus F2, which is 11, minus F1, 9, all over 11 minus 9, plus F2, 11 minus 6, times 5. Okay, so you have 174.5 plus 2 over 2 plus 5 times 5. Also, we have 174.5 plus 2 all over 7 times 5. So, we have 174.5 plus 10 over 7. So, that would be equal to 175.9. So, that would be your mode.